Hello, it's Monday, June the 20th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar strengthened as European governments failed to agree on releasing a loan payment to spare Greece from default, ramping up pressure on Prime Minister Papandreou to first deliver budget cuts in the face of domestic opposition. Wall Street closed positive as Nasdaq rose by 0.28% and the Dow Jones strengthened by 0.36%. Crude oil closed at $92.12 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,538 an ounce. No major economic data is expected today. The euro fell against the dollar and yen as calls for new elections in Greece dimmed prospects for austerity measures and an aid package to prevent the currency union's first default. The euro-dollar's momentum is still bearish as long as the pair's trading below 144.40. The euro will probably continue to decline towards 141.40 or even less. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 141.26 and a high of 143.38. Today, the current account is expected at minus 4.80 billion versus minus 4.70 billion. The pound weakened against the dollar after reaching almost 162. As long as the pound dollar is trading below 163, the pound's momentum is still bearish and a short position is preferred. Next resistance on the 1-hour chart is at 162.25. If it hits this level, the pound will probably continue towards 163. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 160.92 and a high of 161.94. No major economic data is expected today. The dollar yen is struggling with 80 level. If the pair crosses 81.20, the US dollar will turn bullish again. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 80 and a high of 80.66. No major economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar, this rose against the greenback. As long as the pair is trading above 0.9750, the US dollar is still the more attractive. Next resistance on the daily chart is at 0.99. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9775 and a high of 0.9868. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.